In this video, I'll show you how to delete the places you've been from x.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few simple steps. If you want to clean up your location history and keep your account more private, this is the right tutorial for you. And before we jump in, if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open x.com and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left navigation bar and click on More. This opens up a larger menu with additional account settings and options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of your account controls, privacy options, and security settings. Next, click Privacy and Safety. This section is designed to help you manage what information is visible and how your account interacts with location-related features. After that, click Location Information. Here you'll find the settings connected to the places X has stored for your account. Now click See Places You've Been. This will show the location history that has been saved. If you want to remove that data, click Remove. A confirmation window will appear, so click Remove again to confirm the action. Once you do that, the places you've been dates will be deleted from your account. And that's it. You've successfully removed the places you've been from x.com or Twitter. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching.